The new digital overlords, how computers are replacing humans in the network. Ah, the printing press, a magnificent invention that gave us books, newspapers, and enough political pamphlets to start revolutions. But let's not kid ourselves, it was merely a tool, a dumb, obedient servant of human hands. Fast forward to today, and we've gone from passive ink on paper to computers that not only process information, but actively make decisions. Yuval Noah Harari cheekily suggests we might no longer be the dominant species in our own information networks today. Printing presses needed humans. Computers? Not so much. Historically, humans decided what was worth printing, which laws to enforce, and what ideas were worth sharing. Now algorithms are doing the deciding for us. Think about it. AI composes music, writes articles. Should I be worried? And even trades stocks at speeds no human could ever match. Unlike the printing press, computers aren't just tools for spreading ideas, they are active participants. They don't just connect humans, they talk to each other, making decisions faster than we can comprehend. Ever wondered how global financial markets shift in milliseconds? Thank the algorithms having a chat while we're still struggling to find our coffee. The most unsettling part, Harari points out that we're approaching a world where human storytelling, the very thing that built our societies, might be overshadowed by AI-driven mythmakers. Social media feeds are already controlled by machine learning models deciding what you see, shaping our beliefs with precision that would make propaganda ministers weep with envy. We've upgraded from Gutenberg's press to a digital species that no longer needs us for every decision. The real question is, will we remain the authors of our own stories, or are we merely becoming supporting characters in an AI-written epic? If your YouTube algorithm recommended this video, well, it's already begun. I'm your guide, Antonio Klim. May the pseudo powers be always with you.